Does having an insurance claim make your insurance go up? Well, that's an age-old question. I'm going to answer it. Originally, insurance companies have used a thing called a no claims bonus. This is where if you haven't had a claim in a few years, you get a big bonus on your insurance for a big discount. This can be like 40 or 60%. Now, that was great, but usually that meant if you had one accident, then suddenly you lose all this bonus and your insurance premiums could double overnight, which isn't great and doesn't really encourage people to make a claim when they should be. Nowadays, most insurance companies have phased it out, and they look at a couple of key factors: the frequency of the claims and the loss ratio. It's a big word, and I'll get back to it in a second. Firstly, the frequency, how many times you'll claim. So, if you just had one big claim and you're at fault, it wasn't great, instead of losing your full claims bonus, they'll be like, that's a one-off event. Stuff does happen, but it's not the end of the world. Or alternatively, maybe your house keeps having claims for water damage. So obviously your house doesn't have great pipes, so they're going to put your insurance up because the leaks keep happening. And then they're also going to look at the loss ratio. That's the amount of dollars paid out in claims to the amount of premium taken in. So let's say you paid 10 grand in insurance. Now, instead, if you've got a pattern of things happening, so you might have 5 claims on your car in a 3-year period, then they're going to be like, that's a pattern of claims happening to this person. Most people don't have that many claims in that length of time, so maybe this person's driving a little bit differently to other people. The insurance company pays out 20 grand over a 3-year period. They paid out a lot more money than they took in. Your account is unprofitable for them, so that they're going to put your premiums up to account for this. Alternatively, if you pay out, let's say 50 grand in insurance, but have 5 grand worth of claims, well, your premium's probably going to go down because they're doing really well in your business. So generally, when an insurance company does well, then you do well, and oftentimes they will actually pass on the savings. Or you can go to a different insurance company and they'll give you a better deal. Now, this is more the case with business insurance than house, contents, car, but it still does stand up to these two. So if you traditionally had no claims, you're always going to get better deals than someone that claims frequently. But don't be scared of just claiming for a one-off event, because these aren't super significant anymore. But before you do this, always check if your insurance company still has that no claims bonus, because that's going to make your premiums skyrocket instantly if you do have that one claim. And it might not be worth paying your $500 excess for a $600 claim when you could have just paid it yourself and avoided that claim going on your record.